What is Bitcoin? Complete explanation. I bet you didn't know that Bitcoin is reshaping the way we think about money. In a world increasingly dominated by digital transactions, where more and more people and businesses rely on technology to move money, Bitcoin has emerged as a revolutionary form of money, challenging established norms and offering an innovative alternative. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, free from central control. This means that there is no single entity that can manipulate its value or distribution. This digital currency enables peer-to-peer transactions, meaning you can send and receive value directly without intermediaries like banks. This peer-to-peer system reduces costs and transaction times, making the process more efficient. Imagine a global digital cash system accessible to anyone with an internet connection. No matter where you are in the world, you can participate in the digital economy. That's essentially what Bitcoin aspires to be, a truly global and accessible currency. It empowers individuals with financial sovereignty, offering a level of freedom and control not found in traditional financial systems. With Bitcoin, you have complete control over your money. Although still in its early stages, Bitcoin's potential to reshape the financial landscape is undeniable. Its ability to offer an alternative to traditional banking systems could change the way we understand and use money. However, understanding Bitcoin requires a shift in perspective. It's not simply a new form of money, but a new paradigm in the digital economy. It's not a physical coin you carry in your pocket, but rather a digital asset protected by cryptography. This cryptographic security is what makes Bitcoin so secure and reliable. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, ensuring transparency and immutability. Every transaction is visible and verifiable by anyone. This revolutionary technology lies at the heart of Bitcoin's functionality and appeal. The blockchain not only secures transactions but also opens the door to new applications and possibilities in the digital world. The origins of Bitcoin are shrouded in mystery, an enigma that has fascinated many since its inception. In 2008, a person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper outlining the concept of Bitcoin, an idea that would change the financial world forever. This paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, laid the foundation for this revolutionary digital currency, proposing a decentralized system that eliminated the need for intermediaries. Despite numerous attempts to uncover the true identity behind Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator or creators of Bitcoin remain unknown, leading to a slew of theories and speculation. This anonymity adds to Bitcoin's mystique and fuels speculation about its origins, with some suggesting it could be a government agency or even artificial intelligence. Some believe it's the work of a lone genius, while others speculate it was a collaborative effort by a group of cryptography enthusiasts, each contributing their unique knowledge and skills. Regardless of who created it, Bitcoin's impact is undeniable. It has revolutionized the way we think about money and financial transactions. The launch of the Bitcoin network in 2009 began with a small community of early adopters who saw the potential of this new technology. These pioneers recognized the potential of this decentralized digital currency and began mining and transacting with Bitcoin, laying the groundwork for its exponential growth. The rest, as they say, is history. From its humble beginnings, Bitcoin has grown into a global phenomenon, changing the way the world views and uses money. At its core, Bitcoin is built on a revolutionary technology called the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger distributed across a vast network of computers that records every single Bitcoin transaction. This ledger is constantly updated and verified by these computers, known as nodes, ensuring the integrity and security of the network. Each transaction made on the Bitcoin network is grouped into a block. These blocks are chained together chronologically, forming a chain of transactions, hence the term blockchain. This ingenious system ensures that every transaction is permanently recorded and can be verified by anyone on the network. The process of adding new blocks to the blockchain is known as mining. Miners are essentially the accountants of the Bitcoin network, using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly created Bitcoins. This process not only secures the network, but also controls the creation of new Bitcoins. While Bitcoin is often viewed as a speculative asset, its real-world applications are rapidly expanding. From online purchases to international remittances, Bitcoin offers a secure and efficient way to transact value. Let's look at some practical examples. Online purchases. A growing number of e-commerce businesses are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. This allows consumers to bypass traditional payment processors, potentially saving on fees. International remittances. Sending money abroad can be expensive and time-consuming. Bitcoin offers a faster and more affordable alternative, especially for migrant workers sending money back home. Microtransactions. Bitcoin's divisibility allows for microtransactions, enabling the payment for low-value goods and services that would be infeasible with traditional payment systems. Charitable donations. Bitcoin provides a transparent and secure way to make charitable donations, ensuring that funds reach their intended recipients. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin places the responsibility for security directly on the user. This means that each user must be proactive and diligent in protecting their digital assets. Unlike traditional bank accounts, there is no central authority to recover lost or stolen Bitcoins. If you lose access to your wallet, or if your Bitcoins are stolen, there is no way to retrieve them. Therefore, it's crucial to understand how to store and manage your Bitcoins securely. This includes being aware of different wallet options and security best practices. Bitcoin wallets are essential tools for storing and managing your Bitcoins. There are various types of wallets, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. These digital wallets come in various forms, each with its own security features. It's important to choose one that best suits your needs and desired level of security. Software wallets. These wallets are applications installed on your computer or smartphone that provide a user-friendly interface for managing your Bitcoins. They are convenient but can be vulnerable to malware and viruses. Hardware wallets. For enhanced security, hardware wallets store your Bitcoins offline on a dedicated device, making them less susceptible to hacking. These wallets are ideal for storing large amounts of Bitcoin for the long term. Best practices. Strong passwords. Use strong and unique passwords for your Bitcoin wallets and exchange platforms. Avoid using the same password across multiple sites and consider using a password manager. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA on all your Bitcoin-related accounts to add an extra layer of security. This may involve using authenticator apps or SMS messages. Beware of phishing scams. Be wary of suspicious emails or websites asking for your Bitcoin wallet information. Always verify the authenticity of requests before providing any information. Back up your wallet. Regularly back up your Bitcoin wallet to prevent losing funds in case of device failure or theft. Store backups in a secure location and consider using multiple locations for added security. The future of Bitcoin remains uncertain, with passionate advocates and skeptical detractors. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and potential to transform traditional finance have captivated many. However, volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and scalability issues continue to pose challenges. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin's impact on the financial landscape is undeniable. It has sparked a global debate about the future of money and inspired the creation of countless other cryptocurrencies. Whether Bitcoin becomes a mainstream form of currency or remains a niche asset, its legacy as a technological and financial innovation is secure. As with any emerging technology, investing in Bitcoin carries inherent risks. However, its potential to revolutionize finance and empower individuals cannot be ignored. As we navigate the evolving landscape of digital currencies, one thing is certain: Bitcoin has permanently altered our perception of money and its possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. This way you won't miss any new content. Turn on the notification bell to get updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you for your support and see you next time.